Hello everyone, so this is the circuit that we're going to build today. As you see here, we have a three-phase power supply. It's a three-phase, as you see it's Y-connected. And we're going to run a three-phase synchronous motor. We're going to run it as an induction motor. Okay, so we're just going to, when we run it as an induction motor, that means we're going to just connect its stator windings. Okay, and the stator windings, we're going to connect them in Y, as you see. And we're going to connect, of course, each terminal of the windings to a line, one of the three lines, and then we're going to connect them in the middle. And please make sure that we add voltmeters as properly. So we're going to add a voltmeter between any two lines, and we're going to add a second voltmeter between the neutral and any line, and we're going to measure the current on any one of the three lines. Hello everyone, so this is lab number 2. Please make sure that you're wearing safety glasses before you start the lab. This is the circuit that we're going to build. So it's basically to run a synchronous motor as an induction motor. Okay, so we're going to connect the windings of the synchronous motor in Y. So you have to connect 4, 5, and 6 together, as you see. And then terminal number 1 connects to line number 1 of the AC through an amp meter. So it goes into the amp meter and then into the first line, and then number 2 connects to the second line, number 3 connects to the third line. Okay, then we're going to take we're going to measure the voltage between any two lines, like for example line 4 and line 1 and line 3. Here it's labeled 4 and 6, for example, and you take 2 wires and they connect to E1, and also measure between any line, any of the three lines, and the neutral. Okay, we're going to see, so we're going to take 2 voltage measurements between any line and the neutral, and between any two lines, and we're going to take the current measurement. So then we're going to connect it. After you make sure that you connected everything correctly, open the lab vault data acquisition software. Then we're going to gradually start the voltage. So turn it on and gradually increase. And as you increase, take 3 measurements. You have to take the voltage between the two lines, the voltage between the one line and the neutral over here, and you're going to take the current measurement. So for example, increase it up to, for example, here we are measuring the phase voltage. So for example, at 30 volt phase voltage, take these measurements, then increase to a phase voltage of 60, and the same thing, repeat the measurements. And then finally increase it to, so we have now reached 100 volts phase voltage, and we're going to increase to 120. So we are now at 120 volts. Take the phase, the line to line voltage, and the current. After that, reduce the voltage, as you see it's right. So reduce the voltage, turn off the power, disconnect the circuit.